So in this particular video, we're going to talk about installation of n8n. So there are 2-3 things that we can do. One is that we can self-host in our local computer. Maybe we can host in some third party, let's say railway or something, some other place where we can host the entire n8n, or we can use the default um, service that n8n provide. So in the entire course of this series, what we're gonna do is we gonna install it locally and use the entire n8n locally, right? So for this, what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the docker method. Okay, so first, for this installation and everything, we need to have a docker desktop. Okay, so what we need to do, we go to docker desktop and click on installation part. When mine is already installed, as you can see over here, you can click on docker desktop for Mac. It will just download a DMG image, and then you can simply drag and drop and you can install it, right? So after installing something like this, you would be able to see. Okay, here is my n8n container that is running right now. Okay, so in order to run the n8n container, what we need to do, we need to use this following command. Okay, I'll paste this in the description as well as in the below this video, right? So docker run 8 -rm. Okay, this is the name. I have my container name is n8n, right? This is the port number that it's gonna run, and these are the place where you're gonna find the data, like whatever the workflows that I've been making so far and so forth, right? So these are the place where the entire data and everything would be storing. Okay, even if I want to like inspect what's the data sort of where I can find. So in the docker container, we can find where library docker volumes, and this is the place where all our things are gonna be stored. So once we run this command, right, we can access our thing in this localhost 5678. Everything I'm gonna demonstrate right now. Okay, and from here we can simply log in and we can use the entire thing. Okay, so let's do the entire thing right away. Okay, so first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna simply copy paste this thing, control Alt control C. We have already copy pasted the command. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna come here, clear everything out. Okay, we can simply paste the entire thing, and voila, it will start on its own. Okay, you can see the port number 567, it's being initialized and everything, and now the editor is accessible via this thing. Okay, so if I copy this thing and go to a browser and just paste it out. Okay, so we're gonna see the initial landing page. Okay, the sign up page. You can sign up and create your own account. I have already created, so I'll just simply log in into mine. Cool. So after signing it, this is the first landing page that we're gonna see. Here we can see this is the n8n logo. Okay, all the workflow that we make, okay, everything will be presented over here. We can create new workflow via using this thing. Okay, these are template variables and all the things that we can take use and take help of. Okay, these are the credential, like all the things that all the auth token and everything that you connect your n8n account with the third party. Let's say I connected with Gmail. The introductory video and saw that like I was able to send emails and all, right, access the sheets and all, right? So these are all the things, credential. This will come once by one when we create some workflows. Okay, these are the executions, what all we did. So yesterday I was trying something. Okay, so these are all the execution that our things did, and this is example of an active workflow. Basically this is active. If I add in the previous example, if you have not seen the first video, you can definitely watch that. It's a quick refresher of what n8n is. Okay, and over here we can see this flow is active. I was trying to create some other workflow as well. So in follow-up video we will be going to see that. So this was all about how to install n8n in our local setup. Okay, and then I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.